Hey there, managed to finish the Friday in the green, and actually I'm super happy. I'm going to show you guys that the My Funded Futures accounts are getting into a good profit again, but I'm also building up the profits on the leftover Apex accounts. It was an interesting day and a very strong push in the pre-New York session. So in the London stream, we were aiming for these bearish order blocks on the 5 and the 15 minute higher and higher to be taken out, and we took a nice long position in the London stream, which was very good. We're holding it, I think, all the way up here, maybe somewhere around here at 330 or something. Anyway, after that, at the open, scalped a little bit down on this drop after the 9:30 open, and then I was hoping for a stronger push to 21,791. I'm gonna call it out now again, because I think if not today, obviously I think next week this should be taken out. Like, this was such a strong move, and if you check on January 7 on the 1 minute chart on the New York Open, this is a very strong supply area and a nice bearish order block. So I was looking for that push. At the making of this video, we are sitting here, but you know, made some. Actually, I entered one trade with a small loss, then a break even, and then I gave a third try to this one, and slowly waiting for it to reach this 1 minute fair value gap. Anyway, let's go to the accounts and let's make this short. Here are the accounts, the leftover Apex accounts. This one is above 53,000 right now, made 70 bucks on it. This one is also made $100 at 2,322. This one made again more than 100, which counts as a trading day, of course, and 2,377. This one is at 2,740, made $108. Now, the My Funded Futures accounts did the best today. 286 on this one. This is above $2,000. Looking for a payout from this next week. And this one, I already took a payout from this one, and I need 2 more days, and I'm going to request another payout from this My Funded Futures account. So made 273 on this account. So it's all good, and I'm still building up my evaluations with Take Profit Trader, Tick Trader, and day traders as well. So as I promised, there's going to be a separate video to summarize how I'm managing with those accounts. Also, we'll be doing a video on the current risk management style that I'm following, and obviously not the day that I blew up. I still have to face with the fact that sometimes I do get to be in a tilt mood, and I just have to look back for this week and you know, reevaluate myself on this, because I just can't let myself go into these tilt sessions. So that was an awful mistake for the new year to start with. Anyway, at least we had a payout this week. So we had a payout from My Funded Futures. I'm really hoping we will get more payout next week. We have to keep this cycle rolling, and I hope I can rotate these accounts and get multiple payouts in the next few weeks. So that's the goal. This was an awesome week again, despite the fact when I lost those accounts. I enjoyed it really. So thank you again for being here. I'll be back on Monday New York session. No London stream on Monday for me, but I'll be back for New York. So have a good weekend, everyone. Thanks for watching.